So on your calculator, you should see a log button. And so if you take a log of x, it means log base 10 of x. And that's called the common logarithm. You should also see an ln button. If it's a TI calculator, it's down that first column of buttons. You should also see an ln button so that if you have ln of x, it means log base e of x. E is a number that crops up a lot in math applications, and it's approximately equal to 2.718, but it's a number like pi that it's irrational. Its decimal representation goes on forever with no recognizable pattern. But it crops up, the first place you find it is in finance applications for compound interest. And so that's why your calculator has both of those buttons on it. They're very commonly used. Your calculator has the LOG button and the LN button, but not necessarily any other log with any other base. So then, okay, the question arises, how do we convert to any base we want? And you do that with the change of base. Oh, I'm in a pirate mood. Let's not call it the change of base formula. Let's call it the change of base formula. That's pretty bad?
It's a hearty joke.
The change of base formula, matey. So if you have log base A of, say, m, but you don't want log base A, you want log base B, then it turns out that that's equal to log base B of m as long as you divide it by log base B of the previous base. That looks complicated, but it's not bad. I'll show you. In practice, it's easy to remember. Let me give you one. What that formula is saying is, here's a way to remember it. Everybody look up. Take the log of 23, divide by the log of 7. That's the way to remember it. So log 23. Now, what does that really mean? Log, what's the base? 10. Divided by log of 7, but that really means log base 10 of 7. I don't know what that is. Let's practice that. What do you get? Anybody have a calculator handy? Let's have more than one person do it so we can check ourselves. 1.61 approximately. Now, somebody try it with ln of 23 divided by ln of 7, and you'll get the same thing, won't you?